Alpha Team, guide the first 10 trucks to bays 1 through 10.
Copy that. Proceeding to Bay 1.
Easy now, nice and steady. Right this way, keep moving along. Come on up, gentle.
Clear lane 4, sending the next group through now.
Roger that, gates are opening. Check the hydration levels for Group 3.
Looks stable, but 1 is slightly low. I'll note it.
Approval confirmed. Proceed with transfer sequence for Group 1.
All clear on the left side.
Guide them into position 4.
Watch the gate closing behind the last one.
Vitals look good on this one.
Confirmed. Moving to Station 3.
Eyes clear, gums pink, slight wear on the molars. Body condition score is a 7.
Noted. All parameters within optimal range.
Weight is stable at 700. Noted. Send the next group through.
Corridor B12 now open. Proceed with Herd Alpha.
Roger that. Moving to final holding bay.
Phase 2 transfer complete. Moving to primary dressing line. Over.
Increase the line speed by 5%.
Acknowledged. Adjusting parameters now.
Send the skeletal section to line 3.
Confirmed, line 3.
We have a bottleneck on the meat line. Speed up. Make sure the edges are clean before it hits the drum. Got it, sending this batch through now.
The consistency here is excellent.
Yes. Yes, the thickness is uniform, approved for jackets.
Bay 2, bring in the last pallet. Roger that, Bay 2 is clear.
Everything clear on the leather jackets and bone crafts.
Approved for export.
Convoy 74, you are clear. Confirm route status. Roger that. Control, we are rolling out.
This premium leather is simply unmatched. Absolutely, and the craftsmanship on the bone is exquisite.
It fits you perfectly, sir. The craftsmanship on this camel leather is second to none.
It feels amazing.
This feels incredible. The craftsmanship is superb.
It is our finest camel leather, sir.
Everything is packed for you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much. The leather is beautiful.